Cut.
No re-record.
No.
Yo guys, sorry, the line just dropped. Anyways, from Tower B we went all the way to Tower C.
And this is
This is an area.
yes.
It's like a meditation area.
Yeah. What? No.
You
Just
can just sit down.
the lights aren't on.
It's a very calming, peaceful place.
Yes.
You can meditate. You can hang out with your friends just like we're doing. And you can walk a lot.
There's an open gym.
Yeah, we have an open gym right here. Wait, what do you think we should do? Should we go back to the lobby of C Tower?
Yeah, we can go back to
Or
lobby.
should we go to the BD of B Tower?
Hey, no. BB. Okay.
Let's go to
We're going
the
to the bridge deck of
B Tower.
Vita.
Okay, should we go from here?
No, the people up there.
There?
Up.
Wait, should we act? No, we're not doing that left thing. We ain't doing that left thing.
Yeah, there is.
Imagine if we actually did it.
We started.
Okay.
You guys, so we're just passing by
B Tower.
B Tower and we're going to BD. And then from BD we're gonna straight away walk into. We just point the camera up there. Look at how scary it looks. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. It's crazy. Wait, can you see what shadow?
Hey.
No. It looks like some shadow. Well, only one way to find out what it really is. Let's go. Just staring at us.
Okay. What? Now we're going up. Wait, something went in my shoe.
Good?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Me.
Go. So,
I'll just meet. And we are up. Just it.
let's go.
Okay.
We might need to do a proper investigation here.
So we just entered. Come on. On flash.
Shit. This is scary. Should I do part 2 of live stream?
Hello, I'm Backdrop Boss.
What's up, guys? I'm Radio 91.69, aka Ronit.
aka Krishna. And we both have 2 channels. What's your channel? Second channel's name?
So I actually have 4 channels. Radio 91.69, which is my main channel. OP Pianist, which is my skills channel. OP6741, which is my music channel. And Random Move, which is my random experimental channel.
And I have 2 channels. Backdrop Boss, which is my main channel, and second channel is Backdrop Vibe, which I just post anything. And this is
So basically, guys, this section right now, right there is the basketball plus pickleball court. Right there is the basketball and pickleball court. The cover area is currently not
Shut.
working. It's under renovation.
Let's go.
It's under repainting. And now we're entering into the C Towers bridge deck. We have to be quiet.
So we are entering the lift.
Let's go.
Okay, we entered.
Oh, lobbies.
No, just press it. We just entered. What's your channel's name?
Traps in.
Are you? So we are at a very scary. This is very scary. Even our crash. Oh, now it's it. So this is the concept.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
And
And
shit.
we just came
We might need to come back for a full investigation. What do you think?
Yeah.
A tennis ball.
there. We back
All the way here.
all the way here.
Also, so this area. Somebody's coming.
We all are in the lift.
Well, literally, this is like this is like a once in a lifetime pass to be here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. Someone will stay here, 2 people will go down and come.
I'm not staying.
We'll both stay. You'll come up.
Are you?
No, me, Janam did.
It's scary. I'll go in that room. You stay here. Mickey will go there.
Scary. So then, this is the view from out. And those people are going over there. He's just putting the flash. And here are some wooden stuff from this stuff. मत करना. And what's here?
Magic.
I thought something was genuinely
Now where do you want to go?
8.
So now we are going in the Aving
What's
BD.
even happening over here? What are they going to do?
Yeah, I'm also sure. So we are going to ETA.
Wait, what are they going to add here?
IDK. So we're going to ETA bridge deck.
Yeah, the bridge deck.
It's all towers are connected.
Yeah, through the bridge deck and through the parking. So P1 and P2. So basically, there are 4 levels which connect all the towers, which is P1, P2, lobby, and BD. And we're currently on BD. I swear to God, I heard somebody dribble a basketball or something.
So there's light perfectly coming.
We have lights.
And there's a lot of wind. Wait, don't run it. Entered. And we just entered.
This area comparatively.
They are renovating here also. Oh yeah,
Creepy.
that's Scooty.
Why would it?
And they have nice lights over there. And below,
This is the lobby area, fully haunted.
and that's the most scary.
Oh shit, this is scary. That's how I go.
And here is the swimming pool. We might soon make a on Saturday or Friday night. Friday night and Saturday morning. And what's this? Shh. Someone just knocked. Oh, someone's knocking.
Hello?
Is anyone in there?
This has a lock and idea what to do.
Oh my god, I can't tell you.
This part is definitely the scariest.
Sita wasn't on the now. So we are ending here.
Post